Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Roblox verification email not received. The first and foremost thing that you can do is scroll down on your quick settings toolbar and switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that solves the problem. If that does not solve the problem, head over to the Gmail app or the email app on your phone, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen and then check your spam and trash folders. If the problem is not with your internet connection or your app, you can head over to Google Chrome on your device and then in the search bar simply type in Roblox support and then tap on the first link. Here you'll be greeted with a contact form in which you need to enter your details and then select the device type. For now I'm going to be selecting Android phone. Select the type of help, in which you can select account hacked or account login. Select the subcategory type, hit other login issues, and then in here you must describe your issue, hit continue, after which Roblox will ask for ownership verification, and then after submitting your appeal, Roblox will contact you within 24 to 48 hours, which you will have to wait out for. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.